Yes, there's a whole bunch of them coming, man. Hold on, Hey, hold on. Damn, dude, that's a whole lot of people coming. Hold on, I'm coming. Hey, take that. You want some of this? Come on, get some. Yeah, electrify that ass. Oh, you want some too, businesswoman? Ooh, smack it. Oh, there goes your head. Oh, you want some? Come on, come on. That's what I thought. You don't need no arm. All right, hurry up, man. We'll take a look, see what's around us.
God, look at all the damn weapon parts.
Hell yeah. Collect what you oh, cop. Oh, he got me. All right, die, sucker. Oh my God, there's a whole bunch coming, man. Ooh, electrocution. Let's go. Oh my God, there's a ton of them, man. You want some? Ooh, how you like them apples? Ooh, right to the face. All right. Bullet time. You gonna beat him up? Shoot him, man. Shoot him. Oh, he's right there. Get him. Oh, you want some? Come on. Oh, I got you from a distance. Oh, what's up, son? Oh, you want some, Doc? Come on, Cowboy Joe. Oh, hold on. Cowboy Joe's gonna get another shot. Oh, there it is. And Doc is dead. That's what I thought, bitches. Why do I keep... Oh, this son bitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam. Right in the face. Oh, I hear more people coming. Oh shit, Football Joe. Ah! Get him. Come on, gun. Shoot him again. Come on. Oh shit, we got a cop too. Oh, cop is more important. Cop is more important. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Hey man, football guy was tweaking. Oh, right in the face. Hey, I like them apples, fat boy. No, I already got him, Taz. Shit, we got another guy coming. Oh, Screamer.
Screamer.
Damn it. Damn that Screamer. Man, how'd he hit me? I hit him first. What the hell? Take that. I'm coming. I'm gonna beat him. I'm gonna beat him through the wall. Here we go. Stab him. Ooh, take that. Hey, don't shoot me, bro. Take that. And that. Oh, what's up, Birdman? Ah, electrocution, no head. I like it. Hey, radiation guy right behind you. Hold on. Bam. What's up, man? You want some of this? Bam. Come on. Bam. Like them apples? Oh, snap. Hold on, I got him. Oh, you get him. Shoot him, bro. Axe him in the ass. Oh. I'm gonna go inside, see what we got in here. Anything good? Nope.
Make sure I put the bed down. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, Dr. Oz. Dr. Miami.
Dr. Death.
They got all in one spot. What's in here? Gotta go. We gotta go.
Hold on. Just in case.
I'm not gonna lie, my gun already out. My gun is out and it's loaded.
What is it?
It's a fucking football player, like even a 4.0 or some shit. He not dying. Now I will say, that's the first time I've been legit scared in this game. I have never been scared.
I feel. Oh wait, what's this ladder go to?
Oh, I must see your ladder.
The fuck?
Not gonna lie. There's a bunch of people in there. You ready?
can always go back down. Hold on, move.
That shit says flammable, bro. Don't blow us both up. You killed nobody.
Wow.
Ooh. Base shot. Okay. Where the loot at? Give me the loot. Oh, I see a dog cage, but no dog.
Yeah,
Hmm.
we're in for a bad time. I feel like.
Kind of. Oh, look. Behind.
There's fucking zombies trying to get in here.
Pause. I found it. I'm here.
Ow,
I'm glad you did that.
that hurt.
Oh, shit. My whole screen red now. I might die.
Man, knife guy's amazing. Oh damn!
What?
Really, my man? My man over here really hyped
Right?
up.
Y'all are.
Like, he sounded all jacked up on Mountain Dew. Oh yeah, kill him! Yeah, get into it, man. Did you do anything?
Who? Me?
You look like a. He looked like a. Why are you wearing them high waters, bro?
It's an apocalypse. Just let him wear what he wants to wear.
No, looking good is half the battle. I think that's what Captain Planet said.
Yeah, kind of.
Hey,
Whoa!
I got him. Yeah, die doggy. Ooh, like them. Come on, man. Oh, you got something. Oh, okay. Suck that. Hey, don't need your head no more, do you now? Ooh, take that electrocution. Yeah, that's what I thought. Man, they jacked us up. Bandage time. All right.
What gotta do? Drop
Yes,
down
sir.
in
Let's
there?
go. Let's see where they're at before we get all crazy. Hold on, let me change my. Can't do much with that. Oh,
Hey,
wait,
I
hold
hear
on.
him.
They coming. Change my weapons here.
Gotta
Gotta whack them. Ooh, what's up, son? Baseball swing, baby. Let's go. You want some? Let's jump up here. Pow! How you like them apples? Pow! You like that too? Come on, man. Come on, little guy. 1, 2, 3, pow! One more time. Right in the face. He's down. 1, 2, 3, pow! 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 Is he dead? I think so. All right, change my weapon.
Hey, he's still alive. Can't get
Hey,
through.
hey, hey!
Okay.
Thank you. All right, let's see where we're at here. Oh man, there's a lot.
Whoa.
There's a lot coming. I'm just gonna sit back and watch this. Watch the action coming. Let's see how Taz is over here. Oh shit! All right, I'm coming.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
I'm
whoa,
coming.
whoa. What the?
I got this, papaya. Oh, come on, man. You want some? Stand up. See what you got. Stand up, papaya. Ha. Sucker.
Here they come.
Bro. That's a lot of zombies, man. Okay. What's up, man? You want some? Take out your kneecaps in the face. Oh, you don't want some of this? Hey, how about you? You want some? Yeah. Yeah, you just keep running, Taz. I got you, bro. I got you. Oh, yeah. What's up, man? Come on, bro. I got you. I got you, babe. Oh, shit. I'm out of bullets. Stab you in the face. And again. Hey, hey. Why you trying to attack me, man?
Behind you, Stark.
Oh, you want some of that? Yeah. Knife to the throat, bitch.
All right, let's loot it up.
Back in the city. City boys are up.
Oh. My man Yosemite is over there.
Bro, they call me Brock Lesnar in the hood.
You man killed Yosemite Sam.
He deserved it. They let the DDs in it though. Who is that?
Probably Jeff.
Hey, look at him. He's
Oh shit!
of course, you won't die with us.
Oh yeah, that's why I'm trying to find them shots.
Ooh.
There they are.
Just stay back. Just stay back. Slide kick. Oh. Oh shit, he running fast.
You said slide kick. And with that shadow kick.
Hotel, motel, whatever.
Can't be scared.
Screw that. I'm going on in. Oh, there's one. Go get her, Dom.
Whoop that
Look
trick.
back.
I got no.
I
no
don't either.
stam-
I'm finna die to this bitch.
No stamina.
Yeah.
Oh, green sweatshirt's here. And he's eating. Oh no, all that gunfire.
Hell yeah. I left y'all going away party.
Oh shit.
Who died? Well, who's blue bag? Uh-huh. Whoa! Damn it.
Stamina. Oh, we done.
I'm going to the freaking house. Y'all on your own. Yeah, I've dropped mine too, and they was all over me.
I thought you'd be able to climb in. How much is this wall?
Oh yeah, climb up.
On the lattice?
Yeah,
Climb up?
like the old school
nah,
movie.
that fuck-
Oh
Oh,
shit!
the
Did you die? What the
yeah. What the
what the fuck? How you kill me?
guy did? I got what the fuck happened.
You had a damn dynamite gun, man. Killing everybody.
I didn't shoot anybody. I had a sledgehammer.
So
I didn't shoot nobody, man.
somebody planted
They
bomb.
just started exploding. Maybe there was landmines in there.